Yeah, so we met to the place with this and shit. Nice little mirror right there.
That
Shit.
bitch look like it go.
Hell yeah.
Motherfucker back and go look like that. See if we can get this bitch done today, bro. 'Cause I forgot the screw, bro. I got something going on in there. But hey, let's see what they're talking about. Bro, so you can leave that bitch in here.
Yeah. Yep. Shit. What? Oh, this shit. I don't know. Dinked. Blowing some shit up. Look at that. The whole wheel coming up.
They got some shit going on.
This mirror hard. Man, if these cars wasn't here, they probably would let you. Hello. I'm good. How are you?
You must have the truck.
Now he got something. That's his car.
Yeah, how you doing? See what you got. I just got a front footer. I'm trying to put it on the front. Okay. We couldn't get it on. So I'm like, but I did get the screws, but it's all put together. So I don't know if you have to do it or whatever, but it's sitting in here. I think that's what
So there's holes on there to help you put the nails in. Like you have to physically drill holes into the bumper.
Yeah, that's something we could do. I'll just see. I didn't know who I could call. He started calling places for me.
Yeah, we probably throw it up on the website.
Okay, right. Okay. Because we had the car jacked up and everything. And
Yeah.
it was a hard process.
Hard process because we didn't have the right tools and the new nails. So
and I don't want to drill into my bumper and it be uneven and then I got to read it out.
Right. You want to get the right stuff on there. That way it stays on.
I ain't never heard of the shop. We gotta start coming out here more.
Yeah,
I ain't
do you guys do like wraps and stuff here?
We don't do that.
Okay.
No, but you gotta do paints, right?
We do paint. Yeah.
Paint. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get your info wrote down. I'll talk to the boss and see about scheduling.
Okay. You don't do wraps.
We do like the restoration.
Oh, they got a couple of old schools in here. Jeez. This is a 428 right here, bro. What they got going on?
Nathaniel Green.
You got a little walk around. This is an old Camaro, old Z28, man. We got that. This one. We got they working out here. They got some old school stuff in here for real. This one, some Mickey Drives with Mickey Thompson's. With a super, is this a supercharger? I think that's just some other expensive stuff. I'm not really familiar with old school for real. I'm more into modern cars. I'm not really know about old schools, but I know this one got to be fast. Got yeah, it's a Camaro because it's a Z28.
That's a Camaro. It's a Camaro.
I'm pretty sure it's Camaros. It's E28. E28s are Camaros.
Oh shit.
I'm an app stuff. I'm not even familiar with O's because I'm into like modern. So I might say the wrong thing and they finna be on my ass about it.
Yeah, they're gonna be, you know how they get in the comments.
Yeah.
It's actually this though. We don't know. We saying we're not sure, bro.
Right.
But yeah, he said we can't get it done today, but that's cool.
Can't. Oh, now. She don't want to step the on today.
He said Thursday if you want to bring it
Thursday?
in. Drop it off. If you want to drop it off night before or something, you got a drop box for keys.
Okay.
So he said you probably have a couple $100 in it.
Okay. Sounds cool.
All right.
Like I said, just give me a call. Or I can call you guys. I can call you guys. But I'll probably drop it off probably Wednesday night.
Yeah, that's fine. Like I said, we got a drop box. We'll get it in that day and we'll give you a call when it's done.
Okay. All right. Appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem.
So you guys build cars in here and everything.
Yeah, we do the restoration orders.
So if I bring in a Chrysler, y'all can like do a Hellcat swap to it.
I don't know about all that.
You know, okay. I was just making sure because that's
That
one of the
sounds
projects.
good. That sounds
It is
good.
one of the projects I want to do. Start a Hellcat Chrysler.
Oh, yeah, that'd be
Yeah.
dope. Talk boss and shit.
Yeah.
Bro, I appreciate you.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Sheesh. Yeah. So they said they can't do it today. They get to Thursday, which ain't shit for him. So, but
It's all good. Pay that shit, get it done.
hell yeah, you tired of waiting, man?
Get the wicker build done.
Get the whipper butt. Yeah.
Gotta build the hardest scat, y'all.
Hell yeah.
Right back in the garage.
Yo.
I'm not mad at this.
Oh. She. Still want to have fun?
Oh yeah. I'm about to go to this place.
Gonna do some shoot some content for y'all, man.
That's one thing I do want to do. I want to get like the biggest burnout.
Bro, I got you. Hell yeah, line lock. You done line lock yet?
I did.
You did? You know how to do it? That shit lit.
Yeah, that shit lit.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
did line lock and launch control.
What's your launch control set to? Okay, yeah. So when you hit it, it don't spin. So if you go too high, if you go higher, it will spin. Like I just put you doing a burnout. So about right there is right, or you can go up to about 2,000.
Yeah, because the dude recommended it's at 1,800. I was just fucking around with it.
Hell yeah.
Took off. I'm like,
It took off. Like that shit grip and hook and boogie, nigga.
like, okay, this what this is for. I ain't really played with it since, so I still gotta. I want to do a video about that shit, like just fucking around with
Hell
it.
yeah, bro.
Fucking around with it, bro. So shit, I took it in. I don't know where the fuck I'm at right now. So let me hold on, guys. Bear with me, because I know where I'm at. 'Cause I used to work right over here, but I gotta get.
Alright, y'all, so we at this empty parking lot and shit. Bro, finna do something. I don't know what you finna do, but you finna do something and shit. So, go ahead and do your shit then. Oh, he almost had that bitch. He almost had it. He's beating that bitch. Oh! Oh! Get that bitch! Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit. He did that, bitch. He did. Oh, shit. Piece of tire came off. Yeah, I see it. Oh, my phone, I was trying to hurry up. Oh, he swung that bitch up. Oh, shit. Dog, he done swung it. You got, like, shit. That shit got me hyped.
They got me hyped. I ain't never swung that before.
Nigga, this nigga done swung this bitch, y'all. He was doing good. I thought you were going like, look though.
I got the swing in that, huh? I got the swing in that. Oh yeah, we gotta go back there. Like
For sure.
That's a good little spot.
Hell yeah. I ain't never seen that spot before.
Good eyes though, for sure.
Mm-hmm.
I'm about to be in that bitch. I'm about to go to the other spot.
He done swung that bitch, y'all. I'm like, wow.
Hey, that bitch was swinging though.
He didn't swing. That's why I said put it in sport, because it's better than sport. If you would have put it in the track, I don't think you would have did that. Because the computer is trying to like really help you not to lose control. Because in track, when it goes to the track, it just wants to keep straight. It's not supposed to swing in track though. Some people manage to do it in track, but in sport, it's really where it's at. You had it in manual.
Yeah.
First gear. Second. Okay, yeah, second. Yo, he done swung that bitch, bro.
Put that bitch in second because I was trying to get wide.
Yeah.
That first time, I forgot that you gotta low key like keep tapping that bitch.
Yeah.
To keep it spinning.
Yeah,
Because if you just floor it, it's just gonna do donuts. But if you tap it, you can like slide. Okay. I just had to feel that shit.
That shit felt good, huh?
That's like literally my third time sliding, bro.
This
just
nigga.
donuts, period. Like I ain't really.
He done slid the scat pack, y'all.
Like I'm telling you, like shit, it's coming real soon. I'm telling y'all.
Oh hell yeah!
Do what I gotta do, real quick. We about to go cut up real quick, but after that, nigga, we going back because I need to. That's where I can pack the slide in.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna probably come get it, bro. We gonna go back out there around like 5, 6.
For
do
sure.
something real quick, so I can. I'm trying to get a lot of footage. I want like 5 minutes worth of me just sliding.
For sure.
So I can make a video called my first time sliding.
First time sliding. Hell yeah. That's a good short video though, for sure. They love that shit.
They love it.
Well, yeah, man, I catch y'all. Get to this spot. Huh?
I didn't turn my traction all the way off.
That wasn't off? Oh, so that stability control helped you.
That's why it stopped. Like when I was doing the first one, it stopped. Oh my god, bro.
Yeah, it looked weird because when you start doing the burnout, it wanted to do it, but it was hesitant to do it. So I'm thinking he ain't got traction all the way off. But that shit was sweet though.
So now imagine that shit with traction off. I'm literally.
You see it, that bitch gonna be everywhere. That shit was lit.
My tire like bad.
I don't know if that piece was from you. I don't know about not seeing a piece of tire.
Okay.
So I don't know that was from you. Nah, that shit was sweet as fuck. That shit was lit as hell. Alright, y'all, so we at the new location. Look familiar, huh? Hell yeah, dude. What? Go! What the fuck is smoking? God, listen to it. Listen. This shit boiling. Oh. No. Shit. What the fuck? Oh, look at the end.
There's a banger. We gotta go.
Do you see the ground back there?
Dude, on camera?
Yeah. Bro, look at the fucking ground. That shit was like sizzling. That shit was smoking.
Damn.
Look how smoky it is in here. What the fuck? That nigga made a cloud.
God damn, bro. And then you walked up to it. Damn, it's so fucking smoky here, bro.
It's so smoke. Look at the ground. Holy shit.
Damn.
Look, y'all hear the tires? These tires so fucking sticky right now.
It's so smoking in this bitch, too.
That was the best shit. Best house you ever did.
I think we said that. We still got 20 miles left. Good.
Good, no.
And then I was like, instead of me just flooring it, I was tapping. I was like,
Yeah, you was tapping for sure. I heard you was like shit.
that bitch is a banger.
Yeah, that's a video for sure. Man, dog did this shit. Dog did this shit. That shit was ridiculous, y'all.
I ain't even get to look at those tires to see how bad I did them. They still got hella left, I bet.
Yeah. Man, what in the hell?